Here are 5 income streams with multiple income funnel. So be sure to watch the video all the way to the end so I can show them to you. First of all, if you go in here, they call it links, but there's a capture page attached to each link, so you can use as many capture pages as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back into the system again, you go and you check the training. You get all this training with it. First of all, you get weekly training, then you get marketing system training. Now, this is really worthwhile for you to take a look at. It helps you become a better marketer. And you don't have to do this all at once. You can do one or as many as you got time for, and then you come back and do another one. So just do it at your own pace. Then you exit the training again, and you get one more. Now, this is a 7-step training. This one you should do before you get started, so it gets you started on the right track. First of all, you got lesson 1, which is basically working on your personality, pardon me. And then lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And then lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this opportunity. You don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. Then you got lesson 7, which is some more bonuses in there. Once you get in there, you can take a look at them. And then you exit the training, and you go in there and you check all your teams. And if you go in here, you check all your leads. Once you start advertising, look at all the leads you get. And you get an email with each lead, so be sure to follow up. They want to hear from you. The company follows up, but they want to hear from you if you want to work with you. So if you don't do that, they probably aren't going to join. Then you go to the leaderboard, shows you all the people on the leaderboard. And then you go in here for resources. There's all kinds of resources. First of all, you get emails that you can do your follow-up. You can use these emails or you can use your own. But like I said, be sure to follow up. Then you go back in there again and you check out resources some more. And it shows you can look at all the banners you can use to do advertising. To use one or as many as you want. It depends on up to you. And then you go back in there again and it shows you your social images you can use for advertising. So all these things are a great benefit to help you become a better marketer and get more people interested in it. And then you go to Facebook posts and traffic. It basically shows you where and how to get traffic. Then you click on there, it shows you all the businesses you got, and there's my bonus income I'll tell you about later. Okay, now let's say that you want to get started with this. First of all, you go here. And I'm going to put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do the presentation, and you can also join with that same link. And once you listen to Matt do the presentation, I sure hope you join, because it's definitely a great opportunity and many people are very successful with it. Right now they have a special on for, it's usually $97. Right now they have a special on for $49. And if you want, they also have a yearly plan. Oh, and you make $20 commission if you get somebody in under that. They also have a yearly plan, which is the route I took, and it costs you another $350. But if you get somebody in under that, you make a $200 commission. You don't have to worry about payments for a whole year. Then you go in step 2 and step 3. You can put your own opportunities in there if you have some. And if you don't have any, take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10 a month. So that's a great opportunity. Then you go to back. Number 4 is all the back office plus a cap authority, marketing authority, with where you can get great leads from. They've been in business for over 10 years now, so you get good leads there. And then you have multiple income, which has been in business for over 4 years. So they're all legitimate opportunities in here. Okay, now let's say that now I showed you all that you do want to get started. Well, you click on there and you can get started with the $49 a month or $350, whatever you want. And then I'm also going to show you about my bonus income. You get, for $1 a day, you get 100 leads, and at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission, and you also get another 100 leads a day, so you could have 600 leads, 6,000 leads by the end of the month, and that only costs you $1 a day, and that also includes emailing him every day, so be sure to check that out once you get in there. Okay, I think that's about all I'm going to tell you for today, because it pretty well covers everything. And the other thing, I hope you people are having great weather, because we're certainly having great weather this year. So be sure to like my channel and subscribe to my channel. And we'll talk to you next week. If I missed anything, we'll get it next week. So bye for now, and thanks for listening.